What does your girlfriend have to say?
She loves it. She can see, we've seen many times we go back to our old pictures and she's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe the difference.
We're going to introduce Michael to you today. He had FUE 2000 grafts transplant back in February of 2016, which is 18 months from now, roughly. I'm going to show you his pre-op photographs. As you can see, he has a Norwood 3 pattern with bitemporal recession of the hairline. And you can see that in side view, both here and here. This is a previous scar, and we can look at that as well. That had FUE transplant to it in order to try and fill it. This is the picture immediately post-transplant. You can see from the front, there's a beautiful result, high density. And turn to your right, please. And I'm going to just show you. Very high density and very natural. You cannot really know that you had a hair transplant done. The results speak for themselves. Extremely high density, very good results, uniform regrowth, natural hairline. There is no scarring. You would not expect scarring after an FUE, and there is no scarring. And I just want you to show this scar. Turn a bit to the left. This is the scar that is filled in, and this is the scar here you do not see. You cannot see anything on this side. What are your views on the hair transplant? Do you have any comments?
I've been quite happy. None of my friends can tell. I generally don't talk about it, but when I do, people are surprised to find out that I actually had this done. I've been incredibly happy with my results. I can do my hair however I want to do it now, and it's completely natural for me. I'm very, very happy with my results.
And for anybody who's thinking of doing a hair transplant, what advice would you have if they're sitting on the fence? What would you have to tell them?
I would say that if you truly want to solve your problem, that this is the only way that I would go. I feel like it's a permanent solution. My hair grows naturally just like anything else. I feel like if I deleted that memory, I would never even know it was done myself.
The hairline is really, really good.
Thank you. Thanks to you.
What does your girlfriend have to say?
She loves it. She can see that we've seen many times we go back to our old pictures and she's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe the difference. Again, this is happens at least, many times, sometimes a couple times a month. So she's looking at an old picture and she's like, I can't believe it. And as you forget that your hair was like that at one point. And it's become a natural part of our day. Like I said, occasionally we see an old picture and it reminds us, but it makes us very appreciative that every day that I can live a normal life.
What has it done for your self-confidence? You meet a lot of people in your day-to-day activities.
Absolutely.
And how do you feel about it, having the hairline that you have and the density that you have?
It makes me feel incredible. I get up in the morning, I actually can do my hair. Before I really couldn't. I had to try to put it down or try to hide this or hide that, but now I just get up in the morning, I do my hair, I put it up, and I feel like $1 million when I walk out of the house and my hair looks the way I want it to look.
You have a very young looking face, and I think the hairline and the hair transplant really complement you, make you look even younger, like you look like you're 55.
Thank you very much. I do get that yes in my either mid to late.